As we approach the end of the year, it's essential to reflect on our vision and set the stage for a successful start to the new year. Vision, as mentioned in the Bible, is a powerful concept. It is said that without vision, the people will perish. This highlights the significance of having a clear vision for our lives. My name is Teresa Santos, your La Rosa Realty Coach. And often we find frustration with the current circumstances, but that can actually ignite a passion for what could be. It's when we realize that there is more to achieve and create that our vision truly comes alive. It's like seeing beyond the present and envisioning a future that is filled with possibilities. In this context, sight and vision have distinct meanings. Sight represents what we see when our eyes are open, perceiving the world around us. On the other hand, vision is what we see when we have our eyes closed, when we imagine and dream of a better future. It is the vision that serves as our guiding light. While speed is often emphasized when we are setting our goals, it is important to remember that direction holds greater significance. Having a clear sense of direction ensures that we are moving towards our vision with purpose and intention. Speed alone can lead to aimless actions and missed opportunities. Therefore, it is crucial to align our actions with our vision and move forward with deliberate steps. As we embark on this new year, the word that resonates with our journey is serve. By serving the Lord and others, we not only contribute to the greater good, but we also find renewal and fulfillment in our own lives. It's worth noting that the command is to wait on the Lord. This reminds us that vision rarely requires immediate action, but always demands patience. It is through waiting, listening, and seeking guidance that our vision unfolds and aligns with the divine timing. So I hope this helps you moving forward for 2024, and I'll see you on my next video.